We produce 2 billion tons of waste annually. But where does it all go? Between electronics recycling zones and energy recovery facilities, these 10 megadumps handle humanity's trash on an unimaginable scale. Each represents a different approach to our planet's growing waste burden. Some are environmental nightmares, others pioneer sustainable solutions. For more eye-opening explorations of how the world handles waste, hit subscribe and never miss an update. The countdown starts now. Number 10. Puente Hills, USA. Once the largest landfill in America, Puente Hills operated for over 50 years before closing in 2013. At its peak, it received 13,000 tons of waste daily from Los Angeles County, enough to fill a football field 10 feet deep every day. The 500-foot-tall mound became a local landmark, visible from nearby freeways. After closure, engineers installed 300 gas extraction wells to control methane emissions. The site now hosts a 50-megawatt renewable energy plant, converting landfill gas into electricity for 70,000 homes. Soil remediation projects continue to prepare portions of the 1,365-acre site for future recreational use. Number 9. Apex Regional, USA. Serving Las Vegas, this landfill spans 2,200 acres with a capacity for 50 million tons of waste. Its advanced double-liner system with leak detection prevents groundwater contamination, while a network of pipes captures 15 million cubic feet of methane daily for energy production. The facility processes about 9,000 tons of municipal solid waste each day, equivalent to the weight of 1,800 elephants. Special cells handle construction debris from Vegas' constant hotel renovations. Environmental monitors track air and water quality 24/7, with data publicly available online. The site has over 100 years of remaining capacity at current fill rates. Number 8. SUDOKWON, South Korea. This engineered landfill near Incheon handles Seoul's metropolitan waste through systematic cell construction. The site includes 3 wastewater treatment plants processing 8,000 tons of leachate daily, plus gas-to-energy facilities powering 50,000 homes. Approximately 20,000 metric tons of waste arrive daily, about 40% of South Korea's total waste. The landfill uses GPS-guided compactors to maximize space efficiency. A visitor center educates 30,000-plus students annually about waste reduction. The phased design allows completed sections to be converted to parks, with 2 golf courses already built on closed areas. Number 7. LAOGANG Landfill, China. As Asia's most advanced waste facility, Shanghai's LAOGANG landfill spans 20 square kilometers, larger than Manhattan's residential area. The site processes 10,000 tons of waste daily using robotic sorters that recover 40% of materials before burial. Its 150 biogas engines convert 5,000 cubic meters of methane hourly into electricity for 100,000 homes. Innovative features include underground barrier walls preventing leachate migration and AI-powered drones that detect subsurface fires. An on-site eco-park with a waste education museum attracts 500,000 visitors annually. While representing the gold standard in landfill technology, LAOGANG's operators acknowledge that even advanced landfills may become obsolete as Shanghai pushes towards zero landfill goals by 2040 through widespread incineration and recycling programs. Number 6. Guatemala City Landfill, Guatemala. The Guatemala City dump receives nearly 3,000 tons of waste daily in a densely populated valley. Thousands of informal guajeros workers sort through the waste, recovering 30% of materials for recycling despite dangerous conditions. Fires frequently break out from methane buildup, creating toxic smoke over nearby neighborhoods. A 2008 trash avalanche killed 5 workers and prompted calls for reform. Recent World Bank funding is improving safety infrastructure while formalizing waste picker cooperatives. The site remains critical for the city's 3 million residents lacking curbside recycling. Number 5. BANTAR GEBANG, Indonesia. Asia's largest landfill receives about 7,000 tons of Jakarta's daily waste across 110 hectares. Mountains of trash reach 40 meters high, with 6,000 waste pickers working the slopes daily. During rainy season, leachate frequently overflows into nearby rivers. A $100 million waste-to-energy plant began operation in 2021, processing 2,400 tons daily. The government plans to close the site by 2025, though alternative facilities remain under construction. Children of waste workers often join the sorting lines by age 10, despite official bans on child labor. Number 4. GUIYU, China. Specializing in electronic waste, this Guangdong province site processed over 1.5 million tons annually at its peak. Whole neighborhoods became dedicated to dismantling specific components. One street for circuit boards, another for plastic casings. By 2010, soil tests showed lead levels 300 times safety limits, and 80% of children had dangerous blood lead levels. A $37 million government cleanup in 2015 relocated 5,000 workshops to an industrial park with pollution controls. While safer, the new facility struggles with competition from informal backyard operations that avoid regulation costs. The area remains a case study in balancing economic opportunity and environmental health. Number 3. Johnson County Landfill, USA. This Kansas facility demonstrates modern landfill technology with 12-layer composite liners and computerized leachate collection. It processes about 1,400 tons daily, while maintaining 600 acres as protected prairie habitat for endangered species. The site pioneered landfill mining, excavating old waste to recover metals and create new airspace. Methane powers a nearby cement plant, reducing the county's carbon footprint by 15%. A unique education program lets residents tour the working landfill monthly. Despite these advances, odor complaints from nearby communities increased 30% after 2020 expansion. Number 2. OLUSOSUN Landfill, Nigeria. Spanning 100 acres near Lagos, OLUSOSUN receives approximately 10,000 tons of waste daily, double its intended capacity. Over 5,000 informal waste pickers work the smoldering mounds daily, often barefoot and without protective equipment, earning $2 to $5 for recovering recyclables. A 2018 fire burned for 3 months, releasing toxic fumes across Africa's largest city and prompting urgent reforms. Recent rehabilitation projects have installed 50 gas extraction wells and built a materials recovery facility processing 500 tons of waste daily. The site now also hosts a daycare center for waste pickers' children, offering education as an alternative to scavenging. Number 1. Malagrotta Landfill, Italy. Once Europe's largest landfill near Rome, Malagrotta processed 4,000 tons of waste daily before its 2013 closure due to environmental violations. Investigations revealed decades of illegal practices, including the burial of hazardous industrial waste alongside municipal trash. The ongoing €500 million cleanup has removed 2 million tons of improperly buried waste and 50,000 tons of hazardous materials. Solar farms now operate on remediated sections, though 70% of the 240-hectare site remains contaminated. Today, the site serves as a cautionary case study in landfill mismanagement.